Hi! In front of me is REALME GT Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can resize icons on this device. First of all, hold your device's screen and click on icons. Now you need to swipe left or right on this icon slider over here to pick the perfect size and just apply to save your changes. As you can see, size of my icons has changed. But you can always go into settings as well, choose personalizations and click on icons over here. Then swipe left or right on the same icon slider and select apply as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!